All right, last one.
Tinder just opened a convenience store in Japan aimed at adults only. Tinder, the app Tinder?
Yeah.
Swipe Mart. Wow. Swipe Mart made romantic dreams come true, and now there are hopes it'll spread around the country. Japanese convenience stores are a much-loved part of everyday life in Japan. Yeah, I watch all the videos. You go in the 7-Eleven, you're having the noodles. It's set up like a full-on supermarket, the convenience store.
Yeah.
You have everything. Instant. And even like a little eating area.
Yep. Not like our convenience stores.
Our convenience stores get in, get out.
Yeah.
The basics. I mean, some are better than others. I'll notice when there's a little extra attention. I don't want to just sweep them all away because I'm sure that there's probably some amazing convenience stores over here, but in Japan, there's a real culture around it. Mm-hmm. Last week, however, a new convenience store popped up in Tokyo's Shibuya district, offering something that others don't usually have: love and romance. Swipe Mart, the convenience store, is run by the dating app Tinder, and though it was only open from September 16th to 19th, it was a resounding success. There's hopes the pop-up will pop up in more locations in the future. Aimed at the over 18 crowd, the convenience store had some great freebies on offer for Tinder members, ranging from a choice of socks, jocks, or a long-sleeve t-shirt. Well, freebies is always going to get you attention. You just do the freebies and get a lineup going over there. Yeah. Inspired by Family Mart's Famachiki. Wow. It came in a 2-pack for sharing. Oh, it looks great. Family Mart.
Yeah.
I was going into that Family Mart, wasn't I?
Great store.
I was going in there.
Uh-huh.
What a name, too. Family Mart.
Yeah. Very wholesome.
For the family. Yeah, so they had all kinds of like special items, and you can see the branding.
Tinder Chiki?
Very fun branding. Yeah. That's cool. Pop-ups. You're a big pop-up guy. You like a pop-up.
I like limited runs.
You're a pop-up guy.
You know?
Yeah.
But there's some dating stuff going on.
Oh, right. I almost forgot about the dating stuff.
The swiping.
I would be more there for the chicken. I want to do my dating with some fried chicken. Got it?
Chiki?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
That's what I'm there for. Thank you very much, everybody who joined here today. Thank you for all your support. We truly do appreciate it. We couldn't possibly do this without you. And we couldn't possibly visit Japan so that we can go to a Family Mart. And we certainly couldn't have a Hummer in studio without you guys, Hummer EV. So we really owe it all to you. Thank you very much for being a part of this community. And we'll see you very soon on another episode. Later.